So one of the most common questions is, how do I know how much to feed my mini pig? It can be confusing with mini pigs because they always seem hungry. They always have a huge appetite. So how do you know that you're meeting all of their needs and they're not actually as hungry as maybe they seem? So the best rule of thumb for pigs, it depends on their age. So for younger growing pigs that are going to be less than 4 months of age, we want to focus on feeding them between 1.5% to 3% of their body weight in the weight of total food. And then for more adult animals over the age of 4 months, we want to feed between 1% and 2% of body weight. So we'll give a little bit of an example because sometimes that can be a confusing calculation for some people. But I also wanted to make a note that it's really important if you have an overweight mini pig that you're trying to get to lose weight. When you do this calculation, you want to use their ideal body weight. So what should your perfect pig weigh, and utilize that to determine how much you're feeding them, not what they actually weigh at that moment. We'll give a little bit of an example. Let's say you have a 50-pound mini pig. And it's really active, lives outside most of the time, and is in a relatively healthy body condition. So we're not worried about trying to decrease weight. Well, for this pig, 50 pounds, we would recommend the active adult diet, which is going to make sure that it has a little bit higher energy for the more active pigs. And you multiply 50 by 2%. And then you would split that between 2 feedings. So that would be about 1 pound of feed a day. And although it would be absolutely great if in an ideal world, everybody, whenever you feed, you would go and you would weigh all the feed and then you'd feed exactly that and you know you're getting your pig the right amount. But unfortunately, that's not how the real world works and everybody gets busy, and that's not really how pet parents often feed their pigs. So we usually feed by volume, a cup of feed. So if you want the conversion, about 1 cup of mini pig pellets weighs about 150 grams or 5.3 ounces. So to do all the math and the conversions, this would mean that 50-pound pig in our example would need around 3 cups of food a day spread between 2 feedings. And we know that math can be confusing sometimes, and you just want to make sure that you're feeding your pig the right amount. So on our new bags, we have provided, you probably can't see it here, but at the bottom of the bag, we provided a recommended feeding guide. And on that guide, we separated out, similar to you'd see on your dog food bag, different weight ranges, and did that calculation of the 1% to 2% of body weight and converted it to cups. So you can see within that range is somewhere where you'd need to be. And if you want to then dial in even further, you'd say, okay, what is my mini pig like? What's the age, the activity level, and its body condition? Do you want it to gain weight, lose weight, for better or worse? So you want to fall somewhere in that range. Go higher on the percentage if it's a very active animal, and lower if it's a more sedentary animal or a pig that you're concerned about their weight. So hopefully that will help you figure out or get a better idea of how much you're feeding the pig. And again, it's always important to consider everything that they're actually eating. Not just what they're supposed to be eating, but what you're actually feeding them or what they're actually consuming in a day. So when you look at that range, if you know that you're supplementing with a lot of hay, or you like to provide salads and that variety, then you'd probably go lower on the range of the amount of pellets that you want to feed them.